By golly, it's raining cats and dogs outside. What do you think about that, Chad?
Huh?
Think about rain.
Nigga, fuck rain. All it is taking a shower outside. Talking about rain.
That free car wash, baby. Run for the hills, motherfucker. Rain. Don't be scared inside.
Don't be scared. Just rain.
Tell you,
This is America.
I'll tell you when to get scared.
America.
Fuck yeah.
You know what? This rain is so good. I'm about to get drunk off of it. I'm good.
Oh god damn,
That's good rain. That's good rain.
Oh fuck.
That tastes like a tornado.
Whoa, it's like, this is a garage, rain, come on now. Trying to stay dry up in here. Getting my boxes and shit wet. That don't belong to me. I don't care.